Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the magnifier on or off on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Select Accessibility on the left panel here, and then on the right side you want to go ahead and select where it says Magnifier. So at this point you go ahead and turn the magnifier on or off, as well as the zoom level. So if it's too zoomed in, you might have to go back or forth, so it'll let you make those incremental adjustments within the magnifier utility. So if you turn on the magnifier here, you can see that if we go up or down to make it bigger or smaller, you can see the increment level there, and then the zoom increment is also expanded when you click on zoom level, and you can click on how much bigger or smaller you want each incremental plus or minus to go. So again, pretty straightforward. And again, if you want to just turn it off entirely, just turn it to the off position. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.